Hello and welcome. My name is David Oisamoje. Welcome to another design tutorial. Yes, that's what my channel is about. My channel is about creating design inspiration for yourself. You use on print on demand site to make passive income. If you're serious about making passive income, then my channel is all about passive income strictly from print on demand. If that's something you're interested in and you want to learn how to create these simple designs, you can upload and create a great turnover time for yourself to do other things, creating simple designs you can upload on print on demand site to make passive income. Then my channel is that channel you don't want to miss out on. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight right to it. As you can see, we have a lot of design up already, a lot of design. So you are going to definitely see a lot of design on my channel, but I don't want to waste your time with this one, so I'm going to go straight right into it and start designing. So I use canva.com with, yes, listing and listing very good. If you stick around to about the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Pro free on me. Yes, it's a gift from me to you for clicking and watching this video. If you don't have Canva Premium already, I'm going to show you how to get Canva Premium free on me for a good 30 days. Yes, not 1 week. You heard me right. 30 days free on me. They're not going to take your money. So you are safe with me. So without wasting much of time, let's just go straight right into this. So I'm going to click on create a design, custom dimension. The standard is 4500 by 5400. Yes, you heard me right. This is the standard. So you're just going to click on, you're going to open on a new tab and we are good to go. So for this one, we're just going to look for good to elements. As you all know, I love my elements. So let's do jam and see if it brings out something. Let's see if it brings out something for us. So let's see if it brings out something for us. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we can scroll and just find a unique image we can use. You can just scroll and find a unique image you can use for our design. Okay. So let me do radio. Let's do radio. Okay. So you can see we have a lot of radios you can choose. So now I will choose this one for this design. So let's see if we find another one which is okay. Let's use this one. Okay. So as you can see, we have this colorful looking radio. We're not done yet, so now we'll go to text. Okay. We'll go to text and just look for, okay, so we'll do teaching. Alright. Please stay with me, don't click off. Okay, don't click off. So now we have teaching. You can go over and change the color. Let's say that color. Okay, so now we'll just move this up a bit like so, and now we duplicate this by pressing your alt key button and your left mouse click button and just drag down. So now for this, you're gonna put okay, teaching is my jam, so we're just gonna highlight this and just change to a more fanciful. Okay, let's see if we have something more. Okay, we'll just keep scrolling. I just want a curvy text for this one. As you can see, you have premium text too. The Viva's new, obviously this no one to for this one. So you just keep going. You need something you can actually see. So let's keep going to find something unique, something easy to read, something easy to follow. Okay, something easy. So let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so this is what I do. I just keep going till I find something unique. So please make sure you stick around. Let's find this together. Okay, so now we have it as teaching is my jam. Okay, so you see we have some extra colors, so you can decide to change this to, let's highlight it and change that color to blue. Okay, so we can change it to blue, and now we can also decide to duplicate this, to press down Alt key button, left mouse button, and just duplicate this, change the color of that one, okay, to pink, and move it backwards, then back. So now we have it then to the back, so we just move it up, so it creates like a shadow, as you can see, create like a cool looking shadow. You can decide to reduce that a bit, okay, to just create that little shadow for us, okay, increase it. So you have that. Teaching is my jam. So this is for teachers who are, love to teach anyone at any time. They enjoy doing it. This is their kind of design. So if you're serious about print on demand, as you can see, we've just used about 6 minutes for this design. If you're serious about print on demand, yes, listen to me clearly. If you are really serious about print on demand, you need to get Canva Pro, because from Canva Pro, you don't need to look for don't need to outsource your images, your elements. You can get everything from Canva. And the most important thing, your download is safe. A lot of elements to use, a lot of fonts. You can never go wrong with your fonts. You always write using the font. I can as well duplicate this. Okay, like so. Change this color to pink or to blue, okay, and move this. Instead of just the way it is, I can decide to just make it look cool, okay. Just, you see, created a 3D effect like so, and you're good to go. So now you can just leave it like this. That's why I always tell you to stick to the end, so that you see every bit of moves I make with my design, and you're good to go. So now all you have to do is to click on download. Remember, if you signed up with the first link in the description, you would have gotten this option free for 30 days. So you just click on it and hit the download button for yourself, and it's going to download it. Make sure when it's done downloading, you cross check to make sure you have it. Let's do that. So cross check. As you can see, it says teaching. So we're just going to open it, and you see our design coming out crisp. You see white background, but obviously on my thumbnail you already saw that I got rid of the white background. So that's the good cool thing about premium. So make sure you get it, use the first link in the description. With that said, I'm just going to see you on the next one. Stay safe. Make sure you watch my other videos if you've not done that already, and you enjoy them and start making money for passive income. If you're serious about making a lot of design, though, you need to be serious. You need to put that starting energy into it to create a lot of design. And once you're done creating a lot of design for yourself, you're going to love it. So I'm going to see you on the next video. Make sure you stay safe. One love.